Hi there, I'm here to share about production line module in Emerge. This module is let you manage all your production orders in one place and track relevant data such as costs, bill of materials, or work in progress for your manufacturing. Here's what you can do in this module. Define step-by-step workflows for producing a product. Set up the required materials, machines, and labor for each production stage. Improve production efficiency by using templates instead of manually setting up each time. So, when your company needs to manufacture products through multiple stages, you can use this module. Here is how it works. First, you need to create the bill of materials for the finished products in each stage. Let's say this production line has 2 stages. The finished product for stage 1 is semi-finished product A, which is the wooden table frame. Click on Raw Materials and add all the required materials and their quantities. Click Save once you're done. The same goes for stage 2. The finished product in stage 2 is the completed product A. Add the necessary raw materials or any machines used as materials for this stage as well. Next, create a production line template so you can reuse it later and save time. In this step, you map out the full production line with stages and finished products in these stages. The additional finished product in each stage are available to add on. Each stage represents one production order, so a production line template basically structured from multiple production orders. The quantities you set here should be the base quantities. Later, when you create an actual production line, you can adjust the quantity you want to produce, and the system will automatically calculate the raw materials needed. From here, you can generate a production line using this template. Or go to production line and create a new production line with the template you have set. Here is the result after you create it. There are 2 production orders represent for 2 stages, the status now or in progress. If you want to adjust more details for each production order, click on it. The production vendor field is for the third-party company or factory you hire to produce the product, if any. To handle production costs, you can add the amount under production expense per unit. Remember, this number is based on each unit. The final landed cost will include this production expense per unit. If you need to produce more than planned, you can also adjust the finished product quantity here. The system will automatically recalculate the raw materials needed. To reserve raw materials for this order, select them and click Deploy. This reserves those materials so the next production order will not use them. Click Save once you're done adjusting. When the production order is finished, you can click the finished icon to confirm it in the system. On the production line list page, you can see all your production lines with details like the estimated finish date, if you've set it, current stage, status, and other related information. To view the production report, click on Production Line Report, select your desired date range, and click Download Excel file. This Excel file summarizes all production tasks and progress, including both ongoing and completed production lines. It also includes key data such as raw materials used and the number of days required to complete each order. That's all for the production line module. For those who are manufacturers or businesses with repetitive production processes such as food and beverage, electronics assembly, cosmetics, furniture, or small and medium-sized businesses that are expanding their production scale, we hope Emerge will help make your production process easier and more scientific. Sign up for a free trial of the Emerge app today and experience how it can take your business to the next level.